How to install Python on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Python on your Windows computer. First, let's download Python. Open your browser and go to the official Python website, that is python.org. Click on the Downloads tab and it will automatically suggest the latest version for Windows. Click the download button to start downloading the Python installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Before you do anything else, check the box that says Add Python to Path. This is super important for running Python from the command line. Also, check this box for use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Now, select Customize Installation if you want to explore more options, or click Install Now for default setup. Here, I have selected Custom Installation. We need to keep all the default options here and then click on Next. In Advanced Options, we need to check this Install Python 3.13 for all users. Here, we need to keep this default path as it is and then click on Install. The installation process is begin and it should take a couple of minutes. So just wait to get installation complete. After the installation is complete, let's verify it. Open command prompt. In command prompt, type python -- version. This command will show you the current version installed on your system. You can also check if pip Python's package manager is installed by typing pip -- version. If both commands show version numbers, your installation is successful. Now let's test Python. In command prompt, type Python and hit enter. This will open Python shell. Here you can type a simple command like print. As you can see, it is printing hello Python. So it is displaying the message correctly. So we can say Python is installed successfully and we are all set to use Python on our system. And that's it. You have successfully installed Python on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.